Welcome to the Rome Assembly Walkthrough by Aero Systems West. Part 1, Frame Kit. Next, we'll install the battery lead. For this step, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver. For this step, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver. Locate the two flathead terminal screws on the underside of the carrier board on the south side of the drone. Go ahead and remove both screws completely. In the event you lose or misplace the included terminal screws, they can be replaced with a spare bolt from hardware bag A. Apply a small amount of thread locker to each screw, then partially reinstall them, leaving enough space under the screw heads for the battery lead. This is a critical connection point. Make sure to apply adequate thread locker to the terminal screws and tighten them until they are sufficiently snug. Do not leave these loose, as this connection powers the entire system. Here you can see the screws are in place, but have enough space below for the wires to be installed. Now insert the battery lead beneath the screw heads. Make sure to match polarity, red to positive and black to negative, as labeled on the carrier board. Once everything is in place, tighten both screws securely. Before moving on, remove any remaining yellow-orange Kapton tape from the PEM nuts. Make sure all mounting points are clear before installing the next components. To finish this step, we'll add strain relief. Use a cable tie from hardware bag J and route it through the holes in the lower frame rail. Shown here, bag I has been updated to bag J since filming. Secure the battery lead so there's no tension on the connection points. This will help prevent the cable from pulling loose during use. Before tightening the cable tie all the way, gently push the battery lead back toward the connector to create a small amount of slack. Make sure to trim the end of your cable tie once secured. Next, we'll install the Cube Autopilot. The cube mounts to the underside of the carrier board, oriented north. Begin by aligning the connector on the underside of the cube with the mating connector on the carrier board. Take a moment to line it up. The cube will only seat in one orientation. You'll feel when it's properly aligned, so don't force it. Once aligned, press down firmly until it clicks into place. Flip the drone upright, then secure the cube using the 4 mounting screws provided with the unit. Apply a small amount of thread locker to each screw and tighten them securely. Repeat for all 4 screws.